Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Sidra, and I'm really happy to have you with us again today. How are you feeling? Calm, busy, or maybe just relaxing right now?
Hello, Sidra. I'm feeling relaxed today. It feels nice to sit and listen.
That's lovely to hear. I always imagine our listeners sitting with a cup of tea or just lying on the bed listening quietly. It makes this feel very real and friendly.
Yes, it feels like a normal conversation, not a class.
Exactly. That is our goal. No pressure, no stress, just slow and easy English. And remember, if you don't understand something, it's okay. Learning takes time.
That makes me feel safe already.
Good. I'm glad. So before we start, let me ask you something, Asim. How was your week?
It was busy. Work, work, work. I was very tired.
Oh, I can hear that tired feeling in your voice. Busy weeks can be hard. And when the week is busy, what do we wait for?
The weekend.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. You said it quickly. That means the weekend is important.
Yes, weekend feels like a gift.
That's a beautiful way to say it. And that brings us to today's topic. Today, we will talk about weekend routines in English.
Oh, that sounds interesting. I think I already do many of those things.
You do. And our listeners do too. We just need the English words for them. Simple words, short sentences. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Wonderful. Dear listeners, take a small breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin. Let's imagine it is Saturday morning. No alarm, no hurry. Asim, what time do you wake up on the weekend?
Honestly, very late. I don't even check the time.
Interesting. That sounds very peaceful. So in English, we say, I wake up late. Listen carefully. I wake up late. Now repeat after me. I wake up late.
I wake up late.
Very good. Listeners, now it's your turn. Say it slowly. I wake up late. Hope so you are repeating. Nice. After waking up, do you jump out of bed?
No, I stay there for some time.
I know that feeling. So we say, I stay in bed. Repeat after me. I stay in bed.
I stay in bed.
Good. And what do you usually do in bed?
I check my phone.
Oh, really? Hmm. That's very common. So the sentence is, I check my phone. Repeat after me. I check my phone.
I check my phone.
Excellent. Listeners, let's practice together. Say, I stay in bed. I check my phone. Repeat. Hmm. You're doing great. Slow and clear. Just like that. After some time, we finally get up. We say, I get up. Repeat after me. I get up.
I get up. Right?
Yes, good. Now, let's talk about food. On weekdays, breakfast is quick, but weekends are different.
Yes, breakfast is late and heavy.
It's true. Heavy breakfast. That sounds delicious. So we say, I eat breakfast. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Very nice. Listeners, say it with us. I eat breakfast. Repeat. Great. Weekend mornings are slow, warm, and quiet, just like our English today.
Yes.
Now, let's talk about daytime activities. Daytime means the time after morning and before evening. The sun is up. The day feels active.
Yes, this is the time when I feel free on weekends.
Exactly. Now listen carefully. First sentence. I feel relaxed. Relax means to take rest. It means no work, no tension. Your body and mind feel calm. Repeat after me. I feel relaxed.
I feel relaxed.
Very good. Listeners, now you try. Say, I feel relaxed. Repeat. Good. Next sentence is, I clean my room. Clean means to make something neat and tidy. For example, picking clothes, sweeping, and arranging things. Repeat after me. I clean my room.
I clean my room.
Nice. You don't clean the whole house, just your room. Simple. Now, another sentence, I go out. Go out means to leave the house, maybe to walk, maybe to meet someone, maybe just for fresh air. Repeat after me. I go out.
I go out.
Very good. Listeners, say it with us. I go out. Repeat. Good. Sometimes when we go out, we go shopping. We say, I go to the market. Market means a place where we buy things, like food, clothes, or daily items. Repeat after me. I go to the market.
I go to the market.
Excellent. Asim, you're speaking very clearly today.
Thank you. I feel surprised. English feels easier now.
That's a lovely feeling. It means learning is happening. Now, listeners, let's practice all daytime activities together. I feel relaxed. I clean my room. I go out. I go to the market. Now you try. Slowly. Well done. Now the day slowly moves into the evening. The sky changes color. The mood feels softer.
Yes, evenings feel calm and warm.
They really do. Now listen. First sentence. I meet my friends. Meet means to see someone and spend time together. You talk, you laugh, you share time. Repeat after me. I meet my friends.
I meet my friends.
Very good. Listeners, now you try. Another sentence is, I visit my family. Visit means to go and see someone for some time, not forever, just for a short time. Repeat after me. I visit my family.
I visit my family.
Nice. That sentence feels warm, doesn't it?
Yes, it feels emotional, actually.
I felt that too. Language carries feelings. Now, one more simple sentence. I eat dinner. Dinner means the last meal of the day. We eat it at night. Repeat after me. I eat dinner. Good. And finally, the weekend's favorite sentence. I sleep late. Sleep late means to go to bed late, not early. Repeat after me. I sleep late.
I sleep late.
Perfect. Listeners, now practice evening sentences. I meet my friends. I visit my family. I eat dinner. I sleep late. Your turn to repeat. Good. Now let's slowly review what we learned today. Just relax and listen. Today we learned weekend routines. We learned daytime activities. We learned I feel relaxed. Relax means to rest and feel calm. I go out. Go out means to leave the house. I go to the market. Market is a place to buy things. Then we learned evening activities. I meet my friends. Meet means to spend time with someone. I visit my family. Visit means to go and see someone for a short time. I sleep late. Sleep late means going to bed late. Asim, how do you feel after this lesson?
Honestly, I feel amazed. I understand the words and I understand the meaning too.
That is the best feeling for a learner. Understanding gives confidence. Dear listeners, you are doing very well. Don't rush. Repeat these sentences again tomorrow. Thank you for listening. Take care. Enjoy your weekend.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning slowly and happily.